English sing-sing. Baby animals. Bear.
What is the name for a baby bear?
Cub. It's a cub. Cubs really like honey.
Cat.
What is the name for a baby cat?
Kitten. It's a kitten.
Chicken.
What is the name for a baby chicken?
Chick. It's a chick. Chicks are yellow.
Cow.
What is the name for a baby cow?
Calf. It's a calf.
Deer.
What is the name for a baby deer?
Fawn. It's a fawn.
Dog.
What is the name for a baby dog?
Puppy. It's a puppy.
Duck.
What is the name for a baby duck?
Duckling. It's a duckling.
Frog.
What is the name for a baby frog?
Tadpole. It's a tadpole. Tadpoles grow into frogs.
Horse.
What is the name for a baby horse?
Foal. It's a foal.
Kangaroo.
What is the name for a baby kangaroo?
Joey. It's a joey.
Pig.
What is the name for a baby pig?
Piglet. It's a piglet. Piglets like mud baths.
Rabbit.
What is the name for a baby rabbit?
Bunny. It's a bunny.
Sheep.
What is the name for a baby sheep?
Lamb. It's a lamb.
Review. Bear. Cub. Cat. Kitten. Chicken. Chick. Cow. Calf. Deer. Fawn. Dog. Puppy. Duck. Duckling. Frog. Tadpole. Horse. Foal. Kangaroo. Joey. Pig. Piglet. Rabbit. bunny. Sheep. Lamb.